Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Right now we are at our grandparents' farm.
Old farm.
Well, their old farm. My grandpa used to work here and now my uncles work here, so that's where we are right now, and we're going to be showing you guys the pigs and some other stuff. So right now we're in front of the pigs, which we'll show you guys.
If you hear that, like the sound of pigs, so like
Yeah, it smells bad though.
That's one. This one's the smallest one they have.
Why? They're like
That one.
that one's drinking the dirty water.
It's nasty. And it smells really bad over there.
But they're cute.
More sleeping over here. Oh, never mind. That one's really big. Is that a mom?
That one? Maybe. I don't know, but that one's huge.
I think that one's pregnant.
Probably. But anyways, yeah, right now we're just in a little square, but there's probably like 100 acres down there. Right now we're just in a little area.
And down there.
Yeah, and all the way down there. So we're also we're at a ranch right now, but we're gonna be showing you guys a farm, our grandparents' farm. This is where my dad's dad used to work, and then we'll be showing you guys where my mom's parents live. So with our grandparents live. So we'll be doing that, and yeah. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys. About that. Hi. So we're back.
Those
are those
boxes are bees. Not gonna open it.
I don't like these, but
This is
pretty. And there's a dog and my dad on the phone.
I already got Capone, and then I got this. You guys will see him. He's at the house though. Right now with my mom, and we're with my dad right now. Yeah, this is like this thing is really cool. Like all down the path, there's just the flowers are just blooming all over, and it's really
Yeah. This is on my side.
so. We're gonna walk down here, see if we find anything interesting. If we do, we'll show you guys. If not, we'll just get back to you maybe later. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. So these are the apple trees. All of this part is the apple trees. Down there are the pear trees, and then up there are the raspberry trees.
We'll walk to it.
So right there, those are the raspberry trees. Or bushes. They're little. This is where the raspberries grow.
They're really pretty.
And
We'll come back to you when we find something more interesting. Alright guys, so these are the blueberries.
those are the blueberry trees, and we're gonna go find something else to show you guys. So.
These are white flowers and really pretty.
Dad, these are the pear trees. And yeah, so we'll show you guys the trees when they're finally when they have fruit on them. Right now they're just blooming, but we'll show you guys again when they have fruit on them in our future videos. Yeah. So now we're going to find something else to show you guys.
Okay guys, so this big tree is a cherry tree. And I think these are the tractors, and then this one is used for planting stuff. And that big red one over there is the pumpkin patch where they take people to.
Yeah, when they have pumpkin patches, people ride in those. And yeah, so now we're going to take you guys to the freezer where there's like the vegetables and the fruits, probably. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, so sorry that it's so dark, but this is where they keep all the vegetables fresh.
And all the fruits. It's really dark in here, but this is where they keep all the vegetables and stuff. Hey guys, so right now we are going to be going to our grandparents' house. So we're going to leave the farm, and stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below anything you guys want. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.